Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to add a custom domain to ProtonMail. First, go to the ProtonMail website and make sure you log it into your account. Now, look at the left side menu where you'll find different options. Then, click on the settings icon in the top right corner of the screen. Next, click on All Settings to open the full settings menu. Now, from the left-hand side, scroll down and click on Domain Names. Here, you'll see a message that says custom domains are only included with Mail Plus, Proton Unlimited, or Proton for Business plans. Then, click on Upgrade to choose a suitable plan. Now, you'll see different subscriptions options like 24 months, 12 months, or 1 month, each with different pricing. After that, review the payment details and complete the upgrade process. Once your upgrade is complete, you'll be able to add and connect your custom domain by following the setup instructions shown in your ProtonMail settings. This allows you to send and receive emails using your own personalized domain. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.